Welcome back to Car Wow, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love high-performance trucks, powerful engines, and off-road beasts, you're in the right place. Today, we have something truly special: the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R. This is the king of high-performance pickup trucks, designed for extreme off-road adventures and pure adrenaline. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Let's start with what makes this beast so special: the engine. Ford has once again gone all out, equipping the Raptor R with a monstrous 5.2-liter supercharged V8, the same powerhouse found in the Shelby GT500. This engine produces an incredible 720 horsepower and 640 pounds-to-feet of torque, making it the most powerful Raptor ever built. Paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, the Raptor R delivers brutal acceleration and a deep, throaty exhaust note that lets everyone know it means business. Ford has taken the Raptor R's off-road capabilities to the next level. The truck features a reinforced frame, upgraded suspension, and Fox-Liv valve shocks that continuously adjust damping in real time to tackle any terrain. With 37-inch all-terrain tires as standard, the Raptor R offers superior grip, whether you're blasting through sand dunes, climbing rocky trails, or launching over dirt jumps. And with 13 inches of front suspension travel and 14.1 inches at the rear, this truck can handle just about anything you throw at it. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Raptor R is its enhanced drive modes. You get normal, sport, tow, haul, slippery, off-road, baja, and rock crawl, each fine-tuning throttle response, suspension, and drivetrain settings to match your driving conditions. The baja mode, in particular, transforms this truck into a desert racing monster, keeping the suspension firm and power delivery aggressive for high-speed off-road runs. And let's not forget the new trail control system, which works like cruise control for off-roading, managing throttle and braking so you can focus on steering through rough terrain. The exterior of the Raptor R screams dominance. It sports an aggressive front grille with a bold Ford logo, wide fender flares, and a vented hood that enhances cooling and aerodynamics. New LED headlights and taillights give the truck a modern and rugged look. The Raptor R also comes with unique badging, highlighting its R designation, and a special graphics package that sets it apart from the standard Raptor. Ford has also included a functional front skid plate and reinforced underbody protection, ensuring that the truck can take a beating and keep going. Step inside, and the cabin is just as impressive as the exterior. The Raptor R features premium materials, including leather-trimmed Recaro sport seats that provide maximum support during aggressive driving, carbon fiber accents, a thick leather-wrapped steering wheel, and paddle shifters give it a high-performance feel. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster and 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with Sync 4 offer a seamless tech experience, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium BO sound system. You also get a full suite of driver assist features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility on tough trails. When it comes to towing and payload, the Raptor R is no slouch. With a towing capacity of around 8,700 pounds and a payload rating of nearly 1,400 pounds, this truck is just as capable at hauling gear as it is at conquering the wilderness. Whether you're towing a boat, a trailer, or loading up dirt bikes for the weekend, the Raptor R gets the job done with ease. So, how much does all this power and capability cost? The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R comes with a starting price of around $110,000. It's definitely not cheap, but for those who want the ultimate off-road pickup with supercharged V8 performance, it's worth every penny. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is an absolute monster, delivering mind-blowing power, extreme off-road performance, and rugged yet luxurious design. Ford has created a truck that isn't just built for show, it's built to dominate. Whether you're tearing up the dunes, climbing mountains, or just cruising the streets with that supercharged V8 roar, This truck makes a statement. What do you think of the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R? Is it the ultimate off-road truck? Or would you choose something else? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Wow for more exciting car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.